Skymen Technology Corporation Limited, founded in 2007, is an ultrasonic cleaning equipment manufacturer integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. Skymen's production base is located in Shaoguan, covering an area of 35,000 square meters. We have a first-class R&D technical team, relying on rich theoretical and practical experience, to help customers solve the difficulties of cleaning need. The complete quality qualification certification system is our guarantee for pursuing high quality. Our factory has completed BSCI, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001 certification systems, and all products have passed CE, ROHS, FCC, MD, etc. More than 350 patents and certifications. In lean manufacturing, process solutions, and ultrasonic cleaning technology, we have accumulated many years of experience. We have more than 200 skilled manufacturing workers and can produce 6,000 ultrasonic cleaners every day. The annual output reaches 2 million units, meeting the production needs of the three major product lines of household, commercial, and industrial use. At the same time, we provide one-stop OEM ODM customization services for businesses, committed to meeting the diverse business needs of customers and helping them build a unique ultrasonic cleaner brand. From ultrasonic module R&D and manufacturing, electronic materials, injection molding, and other integrated production, all go through 3 quality control processes and 10 R&D tests to ensure product quality and consistency. Skymen in the ultrasonic cleaner industry, which has a good reputation and popularity. With innovative ultrasonic cleaning technology, high-quality craftsmanship, and competitive price advantages, we have won the trust and support of global customers. Our products are exported to more than 120 countries and regions, and are well known worldwide.